Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, The Wi-Fi Wanderer.
So it's 8:30 a.m. in the morning and we have started another trip to explore
Eastern Ghats of India.
Let's find out how our trip will be.
Yay!
This is part 1 of our journey. Most of you might have heard about Maredmalli and Gudisa. If yes, you might also know Gudisa is currently closed for tourism. Nevertheless, we have many mountains and waterfalls near to these ghat sections.
one among them is Shabari River Ghat. It's near Kothagudem forest, which is again bordered to Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. Recently, this village got famous after Pusha movie shooting. Yes, you heard it right. In this forest, there are many places where part 1 has been shot, and in our later videos, we will cover those locations. So stay tuned with us till end of the video.
For today's activity, we decided to cook mutton biryani at River Ghat.
Friendly tip: carry necessary items like meat masala etc. before Bhadrachalam. Once you enter the forest, there are hardly any shops around.
The drive is amazing in this forest region.
This is the mountain and we parked our car here. What a wonderful place to spot. I'll show you once I get down. The river is beautiful. This is the flow of Shabari River. Isn't it very beautiful?
We have finalized a location under this fallen tree near to this ghat. View is simply amazing, and best part is cooking outdoors tastes better. So let's not waste the time and start our preparation.
We cleaned our meat and started marinating it. Meanwhile, everyone got a task to prepare a delicious meal with love.
Mutton. Bye bye.
Mix well.
Mix well.
I have grabbed some stones nearby.
Let's put some stones and let's put fire, baby.
We got our fire ready. Another tip is to use oil covers if you find any. It will help you to lit fire even if there is a wind.
This spot is a new one and never cooked any food in it. So it's always healthy to leave it in soaked water for a day and later boil some water to get rid of muddy smell from it.
Add khade masale or garam masala into ghee or oil. And add marinated mutton into this pan. We will cook only till the water evaporates from meat.
This should be enough now. Let's move this meat into the pot for further preparation.
It's time to add some fried onions, coriander leaves, and mint leaves to it.
This river view is simply amazing. We were drawn to this majestic mountain views and water streams multiple times.
Meanwhile, we make sure to mix the mutton so not to burn at the bottom.
Washing.
While the meat is getting ready, we also started to boil the rice and add some ghee, few dry masalas for flavor.
Now spread this rice on the top. If you spread it even and cover the full meat, it will cook for the perfection. And add leftover hot water and rice on top portion.
Finally, garnish it with remaining onions and green leaves.
Remember, dum doesn't require fire. It needs burning coal for at least an hour. Place coal even on top of the lid so it cooks from both the sides.
While biryani is getting prepared, we boys enjoyed playing in this water and decided to try our luck in fishing. After few minutes of play, we didn't catch any fish. Either the fish are lucky today or there are none available in this river.
As it was close to 1 hour, it's time to open the lid and see how biryani is cooked so far.
Looking great.
Very tender meat. Check the meat. How much tender it cooked.
After enjoying our food, we decided to stay a little longer.
It's about to sunset and the water flow has been increased now.
The day well spent at this beautiful picnic spot. It's not over yet. We have much more adventure places to share with you. So stay tuned for part 2 of this video.